What is up guys, welcome to another video on the 350Z build series, and today we're going to be installing pretty cheap bucket seats. I bought the seats that you're seeing for $150 on Facebook Marketplace. Of course, I got them used, but these NRG seats are pretty affordable, even brand new. They're about $230 a piece. Of course, I needed to clean it up before I put it in the car, and there's a few wear and tear marks, but that's not a big deal for me. For this install, you're also going to need seat brackets. The one you see on the video, I got them on Amazon for about $80. The link is down below, but the driver's side doesn't really work that well. The reason why I bought them was because the passenger side was the only one, like the lowest one I could get. 350Zs do have this problem where it's really hard to fit bucket seats on the passenger side. They always sit too high, but mine worked just fine. So for the driver's side, it only had one position. I couldn't align it with the other holes to adjust the seat. So later on, I went to Bell Raceworks and I bought the driver's side one, which is much better. I sit perfectly and I have some adjustment. All the links for the parts on this video, they're in the description below. So the factory seats have four 14mm bolts that hold them in place, and also some electrical connections, about 2 per seat. You just need to remove the bolts, remove the connections, and take the seat out. By the way, after the install, I ended up selling my factory seats on Marketplace for $250, which made this install basically free. Like every other install, I needed to run to the store to get some parts that I need, and this time was some hardware. One thing that you need to know that on the Z, the seatbelt buckle is actually fixed to the seat, so you have to swap them out into your new brackets if they have a place for it. My passenger side seat, it touches the door a little bit, so I need to close it like harder. But once that was done, I went to the driver's seat and did the same exact thing. It's the same install. After all is done, you just need a safe place to test it out, just to see if the seats are like in position, if they're not sliding around, if there's nothing wrong. And then you're good to go. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little project, and I'll see you guys on the next video.